Hello YouTube, welcome from Team Saffron. This is unboxing video of microwave oven 23BC4. This is a black version which has also some designs of floral, and this is an unboxing video and will show what are the things available in this box, as well as what are the other things which are received when you order it online. So I have ordered this oven from Flipkart and I've got it for around 10,000, and it is ideal for cooking at home for 3 to 4 people. So let's go ahead and see what's there in the box. So the packing is pretty decent, and as you can see, after opening there is this oven. Also you can see there are things that are written on this, which are the name of the dishes which can be prepared. There is 1 year warranty on machine and 3 years warranty on magneton and cavity. Also there are warning symbols on this microwave oven. And width of this oven is 48 centimeters and height is 28 centimeters. The design of this microwave oven is floral, and the cavity material is stainless steel. This is the front panel of the oven, and there are many options for grill, microwave and convection. Now let's see what's there in the starter kit. All these vessels are microwave ready. There is a base for heating papad, then this is for heating things or preparing curry, then there is a measuring jar, there is a ladle, also there is a bigger vessel for heating up things, then there is a vessel for preparing idli. So this is all in the starter kit.